Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
口
Please watch my accurate pronunciation.
口科偶口口口水口水川菜美味让我直流口水川菜美味让我直流口水口袋口袋钱放在口袋里钱放在口袋里开口开口学中文要开口说话学中文要开口说话
Now let's see how to write this character. When you write here, press a little harder and lift it up a bit. Never write it as a square. This character looks like a mouth, simple and intuitive. This character means mouth and oral cavity. It is an important organ for people to speak, eat, and breathe. In China, it can also be used to mean how many people are in a family. In addition, it can refer to a place for entry and exit, such as a door or a road crossing. That's it for today's class. See you next time.